This day inspires students to become future scientists. It encourages the development of rational thinking, curiosity, and scientific attitude among the students and citizens.
Because the charge stays one place until they are released. When the towel is being rubbed on a plastic chair, liquid friction is produced.
This is science, gravity at work.
Start asking why. Once you ask why is this decoration done like this, why is he greatest scientist, why are these models here, why can't I do the experiment, why can't I do model, you go on asking, you encourage yourself, you motivate yourself. To add to what the guest said, I'll say one word. One word starts science is wonder. Wonder at everything.